HeyGen just dropped its brand new video agent feature, and honestly, it feels like the future of video creation. It's still in beta, but the results are already mind-blowing. When you see what this thing can do, and how effortlessly it produces full videos, you might end up subscribing on the spot. I know I was shocked the first time I tried it. The simplest way to describe HeyGen's video agent is this. It's like ChatGPT, but instead of giving you answers in text, it delivers them as polished videos. We're all used to reading long articles or typing prompts to get written content. But with the video agent, you get the explanation visually, almost like a personal presenter talking directly to you. And I don't know about you, but learning through video has always been so much easier for me than reading a 5,000-word blog post. So if you're a teacher, coach, content creator, or YouTuber, you really need to stick around for this. What you're about to see could completely change the way you make videos. No script writing, no voiceovers, no fancy editing tools, because HeyGen handles everything for you, from the idea to the final video output. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and the kind of result you can expect. Make sure you watch until the end. By the way, I'm Karthik from Digital Karthik. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive in. To test how HeyGen's video agent performs across different use cases, I'm going to give it 3 completely different video creation prompts, one after another. Stay with me as we explore the results and see the quality of the fully produced videos it generates on its own, just from the one-line prompts I provide. My first idea is to create an educational explainer video. My second idea is to create a motivational video. And the third idea will be a video ad. I know, creating video ads is usually the toughest challenge. Even the top paid AI tools that are built specifically for that purpose struggle to make realistic, high-quality ad-style videos. They need complex animation, polished motion graphics, and a lot of detailed editing, which isn't easy for most AI tools to pull off. But why not put HeyGen to the test? Let's see how it handles it. All right, let's get started. First, let's head over to HeyGen's dashboard. Right on the main homepage, at the top, you'll notice the Video Agent chat box. The title says, "Bring any idea to life with Video Agent." And just below that, simply describe what you are imagining. We will transform it into a multi-scene talking video in just a minute. Well said. Remember the term, multi-scene talking video, moving forward. This is the prompt input area where you type your video idea. Yes, HeyGen can create a video from just a single line, but it's important to be specific. The entire video depends on the prompt you give, so to avoid wasting time, make your instructions clear and detailed. If your prompt is vague, the final video will also feel vague. So tell the AI exactly what you want, who your audience is, what the goal of the video is, and what message you want to deliver. The clearer your prompt, the better the result. You can also access the video agent from the left sidebar. It takes you to a dedicated page. Now let me enter my first prompt. Make an educational video for the students that defines what evaporation and condensation is. Here, you can select who the speaker is. I'll keep it on auto so HeyGen can choose the best avatar for explaining this video concept. Next, you can select the video duration. I'll choose the 60-second maximum. I want the video in landscape mode, so I've switched the aspect ratio as well. You can upload reference assets by clicking the plus icon, things like images, videos, or any media you want HeyGen to use. I personally recommend adding as much relevant media as you can. The more assets you provide, the better HeyGen can analyze and incorporate them, which makes the final video more engaging, more visually rich, and great for boosting watch time. Since this is a simple explainer video, I'm not uploading any extra assets. All right. Let's see how HeyGen creates a multi-scene video from this single-line prompt. That's it. Let's hit enter. HeyGen is now crafting the video outline. And it's ready. Topic: evaporation and condensation. Audience: school students. Music theme: uplifting and educational. I think you better just pause the video and read the outline fully if you want to. If you want to change anything, you can simply type your suggestion here in the prompt area. But I'm happy with this outline, so let's move forward. I'm going to type yes to confirm the plan and press enter. Now, it looks like HeyGen's video agent has started the video creation process. I'll wait here until it finishes generating the video. HeyGen took around 5 to 6 minutes to complete the video. And here it is, our final result. Let's watch the video.
Hello, young scientists. Today, we'll explore two amazing processes all around us, evaporation and condensation. First, let's talk about evaporation. Liquid water turns into invisible water vapor, often due to heat from the sun. Think about a puddle after it rains. As the sun shines, water disappears. It evaporates into the air. Invisible water vapor floats up into the sky, becoming part of the air. You can't see it, but it's definitely there. Now, condensation. It's opposite of evaporation. Water vapor cools, changing into tiny liquid droplets. Ever seen water droplets form on a cold glass on a warm day? That's condensation in action. Evaporation and condensation are key parts of Earth's water cycle, moving water between land, oceans, and atmosphere. Next time you see a puddle disappear or droplets on a cold glass, you'll know the amazing science happening. Keep exploring.
Wow, pretty cool, right? HeyGen really works wonders. It created a fully professional explainer video from a single prompt. The animated female avatar looks great, the lip sync is spot on, and the illustrated visuals explaining evaporation and condensation in real-life scenarios are the real highlight. It even added background music, sound effects, and captions automatically, which would have taken a lot of time to do manually. The explanation is super clear and easy for students to understand. HeyGen definitely surpassed my expectations and delivered an amazing result. Now it's time to create our next full production quality video using HeyGen's Video Agent. The second video idea is a motivational video. Recently, I've noticed a huge rise in motivational and health-related YouTube channels. Health tips and self-improvement content are booming this year, so I thought, why not test HeyGen and see how well it can create upload-ready motivational videos. From the previous educational explainer video, we already know that HeyGen can automatically add background music, subtitles, B-rolls, and realistic AI voiceover artist with perfect lip sync and natural hand gestures, all on its own. There's no need for any extra editing. Once the video is generated, it's literally ready to upload to YouTube. So let's create it right away. In the prompt area, I'm going to type, "Create a motivational video on how to achieve success in your life." For the video duration, I'll select 60 seconds, which is the maximum allowed on the free account. If you subscribe using the link in the description, you can create videos up to 3 minutes long. Make sure to check the link below to unlock this powerful feature from HeyGen. This time, I want the video in portrait mode because I'm planning to use it for YouTube Shorts. Alright, let's hit enter. Once we confirm the outline plan by typing yes, the video starts generating. Let's see how it turns out.
Success isn't just a destination. It's a journey of growth, determination, and unwavering belief in yourself. It all begins with a clear vision. Define your goals, write them down, and visualize your path to achievement. Hard work is the fuel that powers your dreams. Embrace the grind, put in the effort, and stay committed to your aspirations. Along the way, you'll face challenges. These aren't roadblocks, but opportunities to learn, adapt, and grow stronger. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Your resilience in overcoming obstacles defines your true potential. Celebrate every small victory, for each step forward builds momentum towards your ultimate triumph. Remember, success is not just about reaching the top, but about the person you become on the climb. So, set your sights high, work with passion, and never stop believing in your extraordinary capabilities.
And just as expected, this is a ready-to-upload video. HeyGen's Video Agent completely removes the need for video editing, saves a ton of time and money, and still delivers highly engaging content. I 100% recommend HeyGen for creating motivational and self-development videos, all from just a single sentence prompt. Now let's move on to our third idea, which is creating video ads. Honestly, with just a single line prompt, I'm not entirely sure how the agent will handle this. I'm keeping my expectations low for this one, so let's see how HeyGen produces the final video. For this test, I'm going to select an avatar on my own. Since this is a product video ad, I don't want it to be presented by an animated avatar. To be more specific, I'll choose a female avatar that I prefer. Because I'm creating a product video, I'll also upload the product photos. I always recommend uploading as many product images as you have. This helps HeyGen analyze the visuals better and use them effectively during video creation, which keeps viewers more engaged and helps them understand the product clearly. For this demo, I'm uploading 3 product images. For the video duration, I'll leave it on auto this time. I want to see how the agent decides the length of the video on its own. I want the video to be in portrait mode. Here's the exact prompt I'm giving. Create a realistic video ad promoting a stainless steel mini tumbler. Use the reference image as the tumbler design. In the video, have an avatar hold the tumbler and casually talk about its different use cases, its benefits, and how it can make everyday life easier. Keep the tone friendly, relatable, and easy to understand. Now let's see how the agent works its magic on this idea. The video is being generated right now. While that's happening, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you find this video useful, insightful, and time-saving. Alright, the video is ready. Let's watch it now.
Meet the stainless steel mini tumbler, perfect for keeping drinks just right wherever you go. Morning coffee, iced tea, or cold drinks, this tumbler handles it all. Its compact size is super convenient for busy life. Grab yours today.
Alright, this one wasn't exactly what I expected. To me, it felt more like an explainer-style video, similar to what we saw earlier. I was expecting the AI female avatar to actually hold the product and talk about it more naturally like a real product ad. That said, I know it's still too early to judge. This AI video agent is brand new and currently in its beta stage, so there's a lot of room for improvement. I'm confident that within a year, with a few updates, this agent will reach a whole new level. But even right now, one thing is clear. HeyGen's video agent has the potential to replace an entire video editing team. You've already seen what it's capable of and the kind of output it can deliver. So here's my final verdict. For concept explainers, topic-based videos, and especially for general, motivational, self-improvement, self-development, and health-related content, HeyGen's video agent works incredibly well. It can generate fully production-ready videos that you can directly upload to YouTube without any extra editing. If you want to try out HeyGen's video agent yourself, click the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.